Do you know what Linux is and why hackers use it?
Welcome to the first episode of Learning Linux for Beginners. Today we are going to break down what Linux is, why should you learn Linux, and talk about different Linux distribution. Let's start with what Linux is. Linux is like an operating system, just like we have Windows and macOS. It acts as a bridge between your computer hardware and software. It helps you manage files, run programs, and control how your system works. Now that we know what Linux is, let's talk about why should you learn Linux. If you're into hacking, cybersecurity, and penetration testing, Linux is the best choice. Here's why. Number one, Linux gives you full control, unlike Windows and macOS. Windows and macOS restrict what you can do and give you limited control. With Linux, you can modify everything and give you full control. For example, imagine Windows is like a locked car. You can only drive it, but you can't see and modify the engine. But Linux is like an open car. You can modify the engine, change the wheel, and customize it however you want. Number two, Linux support hacking and cybersecurity tools. In Windows and macOS, many hacking tools doesn't work properly and require extra setup. Linux comes with built-in hacking tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, Hydra, and more. Number 3, Linux is more secure and private unlike Windows and macOS. Windows and macOS are full of security holes. With Linux, no tracking, no forced update, and no spyware. For example, Windows logs everything you do, but Linux doesn't spy on you and give you total privacy. Finally, let's talk about different Linux distribution. Linux have different distro and each distro is designed for specific purposes. The first one we have Ubuntu, best for beginners and general use. The second one we have Kali Linux, best for ethical hacking and penetration testing. The third one we have Parrot OS, best for anonymity and cybersecurity. The fourth one we have the CentOS, best for servers and enterprise. The fifth one we have the Debian, best for stability and reliability. And that's it for today. Now you know why hackers in cybersecurity professional prefer Linux over Windows and macOS. So guys, see you in the next video where we start installing Linux step by step. And also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.